The S&P 500 ended lower and the Nasdaq higher on Thursday after U.S. inflation data matched estimates, underscoring expectations. The Fed could pause its monetary tightening, while Salesforce, for instance, climbed following an upbeat forecast. The Nasdaq reached its highest in over 4 weeks after a Commerce Department report showed the Personal Consumption Expenditures, or PCE price index, considered the central bank's preferred inflation gauge, climbed 3.3% in July this year on an annual basis, in line with expectations. This excludes volatility and volatile food and energy components. The core PCE price index rose 4.2% in July this year, year on year, also in line with estimates. Meanwhile, traders' expectations for a pause in rate hikes at the Fed's September 2023 policy meeting met unchanged at an 88.5% chance, while their bets on the central bank keeping rates unchanged in November this year stood at 51%, according to the CME's group's FedWatch tool. Investors are awaiting more comprehensive non-farm payrolls data that was announced, of course, for greater clarity on the Fed's likely monetary path. The yield on the 10-year Treasury notes eased 4.09%, lifting major growth stocks such as Amazon that I mentioned earlier at 2.38% as we speak right now. And of course, the S&P 500 declined 0.16% to end at 4,507 points. Nasdaq gained 0.11% to 14,034 points, while the Dow Jones declined 0.48% to 34,721 points. All three main indices posted losses for August this year, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq logging their first monthly declines since February this year.